All right, this is fantastic, you guys. Sheesh. Well, let's talk about a Google patent. This patent is called triggering knowledge panels. You know those wonderful little knowledge graphs that come up on the side? You know, let's take Abraham Lincoln. See these knowledge panels here? This patent basically explains how to make that happen and why it happens. Everyone's trying all these weird, complicated things and processes and theories and just random crap that like is mostly taught at SEO seminars. Not based on any evidence or patents or proof. It's just a bunch of theories. So ask them for where they get that from. Let's see what they have, rather than just blindly trusting those words. Ask them for proof. Ask them to show you a patent. Ask them where they get these ideas from, because for the most part, most of these people at seminars are teaching theories, ideas that have been passed on for years and years and based on no truth at all. So this lovely patent basically, it looks for factual entities. Watch this. Here's what I'm going to show you, guys. Methods and systems and apparatuses, blah, 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 get complicated, right? So in one spec, a method includes receiving a query, okay? That's a search term. That's your keyword, okay? Search results that are responsive to the received query. So ones that the search comes in, the results that we're going to give and how they're obtained. A first set of factual entities are how a content is identified to show you. It's not keywords. Never has been about keywords. Keywords are questions that people have to ask. Ooh, that's hard to figure out. What color is it? Who uses it? Where is it? What size? Give me a break. That's really hard to figure out. Come on. So let's go spend a bunch of money on something you don't know how to ask yourself. But, you know, we have to make an industry and make some money off of it. But what's it using? Factual entities. Facts. It just wants facts. That's how Google decides to rank people. Facts. Nothing else. Nothing interesting. Just facts. They don't care about your opinions, your theories. Was it a nice day? Was it sunny outside? I'm sure some multi-$1,000 seminars might try and teach you some crap like that, but it's not real. But that's my little tidbit for the day. So anyone, when they talk about authority and all that good stuff, question it. Ask them to show you a patent, not a third-party company that sells you a number and tells you what your site ranks to the world, because Google doesn't use it, doesn't care about it. And I know it's kind of harsh and a difficult way to put that, but it is the truth. And I'm sorry, but unfortunately, it is true. There's no big mystery. A lot of people are making big issues about these court cases that have been coming out with their evidence that's been redacted. There's some good information there. Don't get me wrong. Some really good information there. But the world's making a big deal about stuff that's already been published in their patents. So how professional are you that you don't research your industry and what you're claiming to be an expert in? Like, seriously, it's all public knowledge. Some things might be hidden and redacted, but a patent is a patent. So again, if you're going to a seminar and they're not talking about patents to back up what they're talking about, ask for your money back and go somewhere else. With that, you guys have a great day.